In today's digital age, managing money has become easier than ever. CashApp is a popular choice for sending, receiving, and investing money. With its user-friendly interface, CashApp is a financial tool for millions. But did you know CashApp can also help you make money online? Beyond basics, CashApp offers ways to boost your income from home. Whether you're a student or seeking extra income, CashApp is a convenient platform. In this guide, we'll explore online earning through CashApp with tips and examples. One of the easiest ways to earn money with CashApp is through their referral program. By inviting friends and family to join using your unique referral code, you can earn a bonus for each successful referral. It's a win-win situation. Your friends get a great tool and you get rewarded. CashApp's earning potential extends beyond referrals. Use it for side hustles and online income opportunities. Offer services like social media management, graphic design, or virtual assistants, and receive payments seamlessly through CashApp. Let's take a closer look at CashApp's referral program, as it's one of the most straightforward ways to start earning. When you sign up for CashApp, you'll receive a unique referral code that you can share with others. For every friend who signs up using your code and completes a qualifying transaction, both you and your friend will receive a bonus, typically around $5 to $15. The key to maximizing your referral earnings is to share your code strategically. Start by spreading the word among your close circle of friends and family members who might be interested in using CashApp. You can also leverage your social media presence by sharing your code with your followers and highlighting the benefits of using the app. Remember, the more people you refer, the more you can potentially earn. So, get creative with your referral strategy and watch your earnings grow. Section 4. Beyond referrals. Monetizing your skills and resources. While referrals are a great starting point, CashApp's earning potential goes beyond that. The platform can be a valuable tool for monetizing your skills, hobbies, and even unused resources. If you have a knack for photography, for instance, you can offer your services as a freelance photographer and receive payments securely through CashApp. Do you enjoy creating personalized gifts or crafts? Platforms like Etsy provide a marketplace for selling handmade goods, and CashApp can serve as a convenient payment gateway for your online shop. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your creativity and willingness to explore different avenues. Furthermore, CashApp can be a useful tool for selling unwanted items around your house. Instead of letting those old electronics or designer clothes gather dust, you can sell them on platforms like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist and use CashApp to receive payments safely and conveniently. Section 5. Staying safe. Navigating CashApp with caution. While CashApp offers a convenient and accessible platform for making money online, it's essential to prioritize safety and security. As with any online platform that involves financial transactions, it's crucial to be aware of potential risks and take necessary precautions to protect yourself. First and foremost, always double-check the recipient's information before sending money through CashApp. Ensure that you're sending money to the correct person or business to avoid any mishaps or scams. It's also a good practice to keep your CashApp PIN and other sensitive information confidential. Additionally, be wary of suspicious emails, messages, or links that claim to be from CashApp. Legitimate CashApp communications will always come from their official channels. If you encounter any suspicious activity, report it to CashApp immediately. Section 6. Cashing in, your journey to online earnings. Embarking on your online earning journey with CashApp can be an exciting and rewarding experience. By leveraging the platform's features and exploring different money-making avenues, you can supplement your income, pursue your passions, and achieve your financial goals. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to online earnings. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay dedicated, explore different opportunities, and continue to refine your strategies. With its user-friendly interface, convenient features, and growing popularity, CashApp has become more than just a mobile payment service. It's a gateway to financial empowerment. So, take the first step today. Explore the possibilities and watch your online earnings grow.